Whenever a teacher enters a grade into an assignment and then either hits Save Draft or Allow Retry, the assignment seems to always get taken off the student's to-do list. And there are two workarounds for that. If we go back into the assignment itself, and then go into Settings and scroll down, we can change down here, Mark as complete when the student not submits this activity, but to either receives any score or receives a passing score. If it's set to submits this activity, then the assignment is automatically taken off the student's to-do list the moment they upload the assignment and submit. So we change it to either one of these and hit save. Another workaround is, let's say we set the due date for Thursday, and then on Thursday the student uploaded the work, but then once you've seen the work, you want the student to either fix something or do it over completely, and it's going to be off the student's to-do list, but to put it back on the student's to-do list, you just need to adjust the due date. So you originally set it for Thursday, now you want to make it either that Friday or let's say the next time you have class the next week, whenever. Now, the moment you change that due date, it's going to show back up onto the student's to-do list.